Hello everybody, my name is Judith de Vor and I'm a farmer from the Netherlands. So we're celebrating World Bee Day today. Bees and other pollinators are really important for our ecosystem and also for food production, because 75% of the crops and the fruits we're growing as farmers are depending on the presence of bees and other pollinators. So as a farmer, I feel the responsibility to taking care of biodiversity and making sure there's enough space for wild bees, bumblebees and other pollinators at my farm. And I've got my own honeybees, as you can see. So bees are really important, the presence for our food security system all over the world. So as farmers, we are a solution when it comes to solving the problem of food security.